to 40 miles an hour at times. So this is where we still have some problems. If you have travel plans on Interstate 90, even Interstate 94, we've gotten reports now of on Interstate 94.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Conway County in central Arkansas, northern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, west central White County in central Arkansas, southwestern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, southeastern Van Buren County in north central Arkansas until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Damascus to Cedar Creek to Springfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will